Welcome to StockInvest YouTube channel and this stock report from Microsoft. The report was first published on our website Friday, July 29, 2022, but this is a more detailed version. Our aim is to help you answer the question, should I buy or sell Microsoft? In this video, you will get insight into the technical and fundamental situation and future price predictions. Please remember to subscribe, hit like and notification bell so you will be first to know when we post a new updated video. Since July 27, 2022, our system ranks the Microsoft stock as a sell candidate, giving it a score of 2.132. In this period the stock has had a gain of 4.47%. This is an average return of 1.49% per day since first recommended. In our daily updates for Microsoft, our last headline reads, Microsoft stock price up 1.57% on Friday. The Microsoft stock price gained 1.57% on the last trading day, Friday, July 29, 2022, rising from $276.41 to $280.74. And has now gained 4 days in a row. It will be exciting to see whether it manages to continue gaining or take a minor break for the next few days. During the day the stock fluctuated 1.94% from a day low at $276.63 to a day high of $282. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 9.36% over the past 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day by -1 million shares and in total, 32 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $9.02 billion. You should take into consideration that falling volume on higher prices causes divergence and may be an early warning about possible changes over the next couple of days. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $349.67, and the lowest price was $241.51. Right now the price is 19.71%, or $68.93, below 52-week high at $349.67, which also is all-time high for the stock. The stock lies the upper part of a wide and falling trend in the short term, and this may normally pose a very good selling opportunity for the short-term trader as reaction back towards the lower part of the trend can be expected. A breakup at the top trend line at $281.16 will firstly indicate a slower falling rate, but may be the first sign of a trend shift. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible -3.14% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between -18.07% and -3%. The 12-month trend indicates a -14.67% change over the next 12 months with a possible return between -28.41% and -6.70%. This equals a price between $200.99 and $261.94 after a year. Analyst ratings and price targets. From analysts, Microsoft stock received a general strong buy rating. The analysts give PE ratio a strong buy and price to book a strong buy rating. For the return on investment the analysts give the Microsoft stock a neutral rating. In this section we will give you some information about signals found for Microsoft. We will start with the general picture before we move on some of the most famous indicators and signals that will give you a deeper and better understanding of the trading possibilities in the stock. The Microsoft stock holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a positive forecast for the stock. Also, there is a general buy signal from the relation between the two signals where the short-term average is above the long-term average. On corrections down, there will be some support from the lines at $265.97 and $259. A breakdown below any of these levels will issue sell signals. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Monday, June 13, 2022, and so far it has risen 15.88%. Further rise is indicated until a new top pivot has been found. Volume fell during the last trading day despite gaining prices. This causes a divergence between volume and price and it may be an early warning. The stock should be watched closely. Some negative signals were issued as well, and these may have some influence on the near short-term development. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence holds a sell signal. Pivots gave a buy signal 33 days ago. Bollinger gave a buy signal 1 day ago. The short-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 4 days ago. The long-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 4 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages in the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 6 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average gave a buy signal 4 days ago. The long-term moving average gave a buy signal 3 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages gave a buy signal 134 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for Microsoft. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $260.55 and $255.35. There is natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the stock then may fall to the next support level. In this case, Microsoft finds support just below today's level at $260.55. If this is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $255.35 and $254.08. This stock is usually traded at a good volume, and with minor daily changes, the risk is considered to be low. During the last day, the stock moved $5.37, 1.94%, between high and low. For the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 3.19%. Let us have a look at some fundamental data you should be aware of before we tell you some possible good trading levels for Microsoft. The price-to-earnings ratio, P/E ratio, is the ratio for valuing a company that measures its current share price relative to its per-share earnings. Microsoft currently has a price-earning ratio of 28.93. This is a relatively normal price-to-earnings ratio and often seen in business with long track record or predictable revenues. Here are some possible good day trading levels. On an upturn, Microsoft meets first resistance at $281.78. If you do not hold Microsoft shares, you should wait for this level to be broken before placing your bet. If you already have the stock, this is the level you may want to swing trade. On a downturn, Microsoft finds first level of support at $260.55, and this is a natural place to put your bet if the support holds with an expectation of a rebound upwards. In the table we have listed other potential swing trading levels based on the famous Fibonacci model. The average ratings combined from several analyst sources for Microsoft is strong buy. Here are some of the latest insider trades. On July 15, 2022, Hoya Alice L. made an inside sell of 177,469 of common stock. On June 14, 2022, Hoya Alice L. made an inside buy of 116 of common stock. On June 9, 2022, Warrior Pudmashri made an inside buy of 9,235 of restricted stock units. On June 9, 2022, Thompson John Wendell made an inside buy of 95,425 of restricted stock units. On June 9, 2022, Thompson John Wendell made an inside buy of 61,569 of restricted stock units. Based on the 100 latest insides trades, we have calculated the insider power to be negative at a ratio of -94.128. In total, the insiders bought 16,522,121 and sold 926,244,511 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is $271.53, minus 3.28%. This stock has low daily movements and this gives low risk. There is a buy signal from a pivot bottom found 32 days ago. Is Microsoft stock a buy? Several short-term signals are positive. Despite the stock being in a falling trend, we conclude that the current level may hold a buying opportunity as there is a fair chance for stock to perform well in the short term. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is overvalued. For the trading on Monday 1st, we expect Microsoft to open down -95 and start trading at $279.79. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. And remember to subscribe to the channel to get all the latest videos and updates.